Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube help tutorial. Today we are going to be checking out how to put default settings. So if you're like me and you play a certain game, or you do multiple videos of the same, multiple content of the same genre or wherever. So I'll do like walkthroughs of games, maybe like hundreds of levels sometimes. And when I upload them, instead of having to do each individual title and description and all that, uh, it's nice to have a default upload. So I'm going to show you how to have change your upload defaults. So when you upload that particular video, say, hey, I'm making a bunch of these, I'm going to be uploading 100 of these. So you can just go into your settings and change your upload defaults. So your description and your tags and all that are fit with that game, and then you don't have to change each individually, which you can do if you just watch another video I just made, which you can go into your content, and you can edit each one, select all of them, and change the tags and everything with this. You can do that as well, but if you're just going to upload them anyways, you might as well go to your settings and then over to upload defaults. And here you can put in your description. So if you're playing a certain game, hey, I'm making these word video games, and check out the app here. You can put the description of that, put the whatever the game is like. So this one was Blastomancer I was playing, and then I put in my Amazon affiliate link if anyone wants to buy stuff there. I put in my tags, all that. So if I upload a bunch of Blastomancer videos, all those are going to be, if I upload from my PC, they're all going to be in there. For some reason, when I upload from my phone, no defaults take over, so it's kind of weird. But so then you put in your things there, and usually I just do description and the tags, and then you can go into advanced settings if you want, title and description, language, gaming category, all that stuff. Unfortunately, when you select gaming, it won't allow you to put default as the actual name of the game there, but maybe they'll fix that later on. And then monetization. Okay, once you've got all that done, you can hit save and back out. So we can save it, close that, and then next time you go to create, if you go to upload a video, what's going to happen is when you drag all of those videos in there, all 100 of your videos, or 15 at a time, up to 100 a day, then it's going to give you that default stuff. So it's automatically in there, and you don't have to worry about putting it up later. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. A little trick there, and not everyone knows, so maybe now you do. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. See you next time.